my July 22nd grow update. Start off with my tomatoes. As you can see, some of them are taller than my 6-foot fence. It's a little jungle over here. Did some pruning on the bottom, try and get some more airflow in there. But in the front here we got some Barry's Crazy Cherry, some Garden Peach, and I believe over here we have pineapple, beefsteak, La Roma, Celebrity, Sweet Million, and there's a couple else I'm forgetting, but really not much to show over here. But I have my squash and zucchini plants. They're not looking the greatest. These are okay, but I don't know what in the world that thing is. Somebody let me know what that thing is and if I should kill it or not. I know this guy we shouldn't kill. He's taking a nap. But my squash, these three are looking okay. And these, not so much. I mean, this one's got a pretty decent sized zucchini on it, but even these two don't look too bad. It's these two that are starting to look, I don't know if it's the heat, but this one does not look good at all. I mean, it's got flowers, but it just looks like crap. But anyway, move on to the peppers. I broke a branch off one of my tomatoes and I just stuck it in the ground and it's actually growing. I'm pretty surprised. It's got little tomatoes on it. But that's my pink tiger. It's my golden jubilee tomato over here. It's doing pretty good, almost as tall as the fence. And then a golden ghost in the corner here. That's got some peppers on it. Kind of in a hard spot to see, but there's one. There's a couple on there. And then in the middle here we got a Ring of Fire cayenne. It's got a bunch on there. Some Jimmy Nardello. And then this is Primo crossed with a BOC. And this is a Gangstar Sriracha Hornet. It's just finally starting to take off. It was taking forever. What else we got? Back over in this corner, got a Georgia Flame. Tons of flowers. I don't think there's any pods on this one yet. And this is a Fatali Yellow, I believe this one is. Fatali Yellow. And we got a Fatali Peach. Another Fatali Peach over here. These plants finally just started taking off. I guess maybe because they're in the raised bed, it takes a little longer than the containers. First year grower questions, whatever. My purple UFO, it's kind of always stayed this size. It hasn't really gotten any bigger, but it's pumping out tons of pods. Gangstar White Tie, same thing. Not really getting bigger, but lots of peppers on it. And over here we got my Buena Mulata. It's doing pretty good. I don't know when those are ripe, when the best time to eat them is. If someone let me know. Now we got a Chiltepin back here. It's got some growing on it. Slower than my other one. I'll show you the other one in a minute. And then there's my one of my lemon drops. I got 3 lemon drop plants this year. I just picked this one clean the other day. I mean, there's still a few on there, but that was loaded. And then chocolate habanero over here. I don't think there's, oh yeah, there is a little one down here. But still another one that just recently started taking off. And then over here, we got Carolina Reaper. Threw out a whole bunch of small peppers the first round. Really small, I mean half the size of a dime. But, I mean, it's doing pretty good now. Got a big one in here. There it is. But it's doing pretty good. Lots of them on there. Oh, hang on. Let me pay attention to what I'm doing. So, and there's another Reaper next to it. Pretty nasty looking one right there. Focus. So this plant's got a couple of ones that are just about ripe. But the Reaper's doing pretty good. And then another lemon drop. over here, an ahi pineapple. Just starting to get a few ripe ones on there. And this another chiltepin. This one's got a whole bunch on there. Seems like they're taking a very long time to ripen. But I got one over here. It looks like it might be getting. God, phone. So. And then this is my Gangstar Starscream. I mean, loaded. Everywhere you look. You lift up its skirt, there's peppers everywhere. And even a ripe one in there. Whatever, camera's not cooperating today. And this, I believe, is yeah, Cubanelli, potato. Another one right next to it. Got some on there. And then here we got a Gangstar Peach Star Kissed. There's another one. It's loaded. I mean, it's like that all the way around. Loaded with peppers. And this is a Chocolate Bell. Another one right next to it. Not doing as good. My little tiny itsy bitsy shishito plant. Still cranking some out. It's Tasia Habanero from Jimmy Pickles. Beautiful looking pods. And then we got a Purple Ghost, another one that I'm kind of questioning, when are these the best to be picked? I'm pretty sure they turn red, not 100% on that, but I mean, this thing is just loaded. And then 2 jalapenos over here. I'm gonna waste time with those. And then one of my Purple Reaper plants. No pods on that one, but on this one, we got some big mamma jammers on there. Big ones, nasty, bumpy looking. Phew. And this phone, I'm telling you, maybe I should switch to an Android. This phone is a Gangstar Misery Suite. Haven't really seen much go on this thing yet. And yeah, I know my plants are all jammed together. I'm sure I'm gonna have some accidental crosses and stuff, but anything I'm gonna isolate, I have those clear mesh bags that pretty shortly I'm gonna start using to isolate some stuff. This way I know, I can guarantee myself what I'm growing next year. But over here in the corner is my probably 4 foot tall ahi mango that took forever to start throwing out buds. But as you can see, it is loaded now. It's gonna be a good yield from that plant. And then over here in the corner, my Gangstar Yellow. Oh wait, I forgot there's a bell pepper over here, California Wonder. Look at that. And then Gangstar Yellow over here. This is another one that's loaded. Another one that's loaded. Apple Crisp from Jimmy Pickles. Doing very good. Those peppers are delicious. I highly advise you try those if you're into sweet, thick-walled peppers with little to no. It's some kind of kick, but very good pepper. At least for me. I'm not huge on the heat, but I'm getting there. And this is a Lemon Starburst, Gangstar Lemon Starburst. Yeah, I got some ripe ones in there. Another one. There's a whole bunch on here. Ooh. I don't know if you could see that one. That's pretty. Where the hell is my hand? There it is. Okay. telling you, I'm having technical difficulties tonight. It's a good one. And purple tiger. Everything's so jammed. Oh, look, a ripe one. Leaf on the lens. That's almost done. But very prolific, that plant. And there's another gangsta yellow in here. I'm just all jammed up in here. I had no idea that, oh, I shouldn't say I had no idea. I kind of had an idea everything was gonna grow into each other, but it is what it is now. This is Bean Strain Peach Village. I mean, loaded with pods. And this is a pumpkin habanero and ahi golden next to it, or cohabitating, I guess you could say. Ghostly jalapeno. And then you got pimenta moringa peach from White Hot Peppers. Mako coco serrate, butchered. And we got over here. What is this? Is this my? Oh, it's another lemon starburst. Not much on there. There's a Bahamian goat. Oh no, this is banana, and the Bahamian goat's next door. And we got a little bastard. And Sugar Rush striped. I keep getting these little spots on these peppers. I don't know if that's from bugs or it doesn't look like blossom end rot to me. I don't know if somebody can give me a hand, help me figure out what's causing that. You know, everything's automated with my watering system, so it's consistent. They're not overwatered. Another lemon drop. Cajun Bell, just picked them clean. And this is my mystery scorpion habanero, whatever you want to call it. I have no idea. Pepper. Just picked that one relatively clean for my sauce that I made the other day. And this is Coyote Zan White. Just picked that one too. Still got a bunch on it, but plant's doing great. Thai Dragon. Got a bunch on there ready to go. Some eggplant. Looks like a freaking softball. There's a whole bunch of them just starting out. Another gangsta white Thai. Plant's doing really good. Orange bell pepper I started from seed that I got from Costco. And this is over here, this be a CGN 21500. I thought there was a pod on here, I guess not. I don't know. Oh, my dog, I swear. Tabasco. Hope y'all like listening to dogs. I'm just about done anyway. This is supposed to be Gangstar Starscream. I don't know, maybe it's one of those weird phenos. I'm not sure. This is Sriracha Hornet. That's what this one is. Where is it? There it is. And then you got a Misery Sweet down here. My fish pepper. Look at that one. Looking good. And then all my cucumbers and everything down there. Come on, phone. Everything's growing along the fence pretty good. Then I found these in the garbage at Ralph's Italian Ice, the 2.5 gallon buckets, and I had a whole bunch of seedlings. So I figured, why the hell not? I'm already halfway through the season, put them in a small container and see if I can get something out of them. So these are pretty relatively new to the system here, but we'll see how they do. But that's my grow update for now. Thanks for listening to me and my dogs ramble on, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.